people think uploading a YouTube video is the final step. It's not, in fact. It's just the beginning. If you're not putting in the effort after the upload, you're leaving views, subscribers, and growth on the table. And that's a mistake you can't afford to make. So, let's talk about the 7 important things you absolutely must do after uploading your video if you actually want to grow your channel. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to grow, automate, and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video, because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. Number 1. Let's start with the title. You probably already added one before uploading, but here's the thing. That title can make or break your video's performance. It's the first thing people see, and it's what makes them decide whether or not to click. Think about it. Your title is competing with hundreds, maybe thousands of other videos in the same niche. So, how do you make it stand out? First, it has to be accurate. You don't want to promise something you can't deliver. Misleading or clickbait titles might get you a few clicks in the short term, but they destroy trust. People don't forget when they've been fooled. That's why your title should set the right expectations, but it also needs to spark curiosity. For example, if you're making a video about how to grow on YouTube, a title like How to Grow on YouTube in 2025 might sound straightforward, but it's also a bit plain. What if you tried something like The Shocking Truth About Growing on YouTube in 2025? Now that grabs attention. The key is finding a balance between curiosity and honesty. Keywords are your secret weapon when it comes to titles. They help YouTube understand what your video is about and make it easier for the right audience to find you. Use words that people are actually searching for. If you're not sure what those words are, there are tools that can help. vidIQ, for example, is perfect for this. Click the link in the description to sign up for a free account. Then, install their browser extension. Once you've done this, you can draft a title in your YouTube studio, and vidIQ will suggest optimized versions of your title. This is the quickest and most efficient way to make sure that you're using keywords in your titles. Number 2. Next, let's talk about descriptions. A lot of creators underestimate how important these are. Your description isn't just for decoration, it's for the algorithm and your viewers. A good description gives context to your video. Let's say a viewer comes across your video but has no idea who you are or what the video is about. They'll probably skim the description. That's your chance to make it clear what value you're offering. Start with a short, engaging paragraph summarizing your video. For example, if your video is about YouTube growth, you could say something like, "In this video, I'm breaking down the exact strategies you need to grow your channel in 2025, no matter where you're starting from." You also want to sprinkle in a few keywords here, which vidIQ can also help you with. These keywords help YouTube's algorithm figure out where your video belongs and who it should be shown to. But don't go overboard. Stuffing your description with keywords looks spammy and can hurt your ranking. Use natural, conversational language. Also, don't forget clickable links. If you're promoting something, like an affiliate product or another video, your description is the perfect place to add those links. And here's a tip. If you're creating faceless videos and need help writing an SEO-friendly description, you can use this ChatGPT prompt. First, paste your video script, then say, "From this script, write a 2-paragraph YouTube video description focused on SEO and search-based traffic." Use natural conversational English. This little trick saves time and makes sure your description is optimized for search. Number 3. Now, let's move on to Endscreens. Endscreens are those clickable elements that appear in the last few seconds of your video. They're like a little nudge to your viewers, saying, "Hey, don't leave just yet. Here's more great content for you." You can use them to link to another video, a playlist, or even a subscription button. If you're eligible, you can also link to external content, like your website. Endscreens are especially powerful for keeping viewers on your channel. If someone just finished one of your videos and you offer them another one to watch, they're far more likely to click it than if they had to go searching for it on their own. When you're setting up your end screen, try the best for viewer option. This lets YouTube recommend a video that the algorithm thinks a specific viewer will like. It's a great way to keep people engaged, especially if you're not sure which video to promote. But don't just slap your end screen onto every video and forget about it. As your library grows, you'll need to update those end screens. If you only have one video right now, no problem. Just add the subscription button for now and come back to it later when you've got more content to share. Number 4. Let's talk about thumbnails. These are your first impression, even before your title. If your thumbnail doesn't grab attention, your title won't even matter because people won't get that far. YouTube might auto-generate some thumbnail options for you, but let's be honest, they're not always great. Custom thumbnails are the way to go if you want to stand out. When you're creating thumbnails, think about contrast, color, and clarity. The goal is to make it pop, even when it's small. A bright, simple design with bold text or a clear image works best. Don't overcrowd it with too much information. If you're not a graphic designer, don't worry. Tools like Pixels make it super easy to create professional-looking thumbnails. With this tool, you can simply give a text prompt describing the thumbnail that you want, and it will generate it for you in a way that's optimized to go viral. You can try it out for free by using the link in the description. Number 5. Now, let's move on to playlists. These are one of the most underused features on YouTube, but they're incredibly valuable. A playlist is like a curated library for your viewers. It groups similar videos together, making it easier for people to find related content. For example, if your channel is about YouTube tips, you could create a playlist called How to Grow on YouTube. Playlists also encourage binge watching. When someone clicks on a video in a playlist, the next one automatically plays, keeping them on your channel longer. Plus, playlists can rank in YouTube search results, giving your videos even more visibility. You can also feature your playlists on your channel homepage, making it look more organized and professional. Number 6. Let's talk about visibility settings. These are the controls that determine who can see your video and when. If you're still making tweaks or testing something, you can set the video to private. This means only you can see it. If you want to share it with someone before making it public, use the unlisted option. Just keep in mind that unlisted videos can be seen if they're added to a public playlist. When you're ready to go live, you can choose the public option, which makes the video immediately visible to everyone. But here's a smarter strategy. Schedule your video. Scheduling allows you to pick the exact date and time your video goes live. This is especially useful if you want to target a specific time zone or build anticipation. For example, if most of your audience is in the US, you might want to schedule your upload for the evening when they're most likely to be online. Number 7. Finally, let's touch on comments. Comments are where the magic of community building happens. When someone takes the time to leave a comment, that's your chance to connect with them. Replying to comments shows your audience that you care about what they have to say, and it can encourage more people to comment in the future. Early engagement is especially important. When your video is freshly uploaded, make it a priority to respond to as many comments as you can. You can also use the heart feature to acknowledge comments. Hearts are unique because only creators can give them, so it's a small but meaningful way to show appreciation. Don't forget to pin a comment as well. This could be your own comment highlighting something important, like a link to another video, a special offer, or even just a fun question to spark discussion. Try to add a comment right after publishing to encourage others to join in. If you have any questions about how to grow your YouTube channel, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. As you can see here, our members go through the 7-day YouTube Starter Challenge and learn how to launch their first faceless YouTube video in just 7 days. One of the most popular free courses here is a YouTube Starter Blueprint that teaches the quickest ways to get to your first $1,000 per month, as well as the tools I use to grow this channel to over $500 per day. This community is a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. Which of these important things do you currently do? Or will you make sure to do the next time you upload your YouTube video? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.